Looking after the environment is a huge job and we need everyone to contribute to make it happen.
So our volunteers provide capacity, they spread the message of all of the things that Green Adelaide would love to achieve in that sphere of cooler, greener and wilder.
So it's very important for us at Green Adelaide that we are able to support volunteer groups to protect, to enhance, to improve their local patch.
Volunteers!
We work with some 100 or more volunteer groups, more than 3,000 individuals, and they deliver some 50,000 hours of volunteer work.
We think it's important that everyone has the opportunity to connect to nature and to volunteer and to reap all those benefits that volunteering provides, not only to the environment but also to the person doing the volunteering. There's job skill benefits, there's community social cohesion benefits, there's human health benefits. So we want to make sure everyone has the opportunity to join the movement of nature stewards that look after the environment across Adelaide.
It gives us an opportunity to encourage other generations to be involved, whether it's young and old.
And Green Adelaide has provided wonderful support for us in developing the plans that we have, but also in ideas.
These volunteer groups are absolutely vital in growing the ecological literacy of our community, which means that through experiential activities such as preserving their local patch, the community become used to and then regard and then adore the local environment. And this is essential for any community to succeed and to thrive.
I really value the relationship with Green Adelaide. They've got fantastic expertise and also capacity that we don't necessarily have at council. So I really enjoy that partnership and can see it, continuing to build over time.
Green Adelaide supports volunteers in a number of ways. So we do that through independent insurance, providing PPE, tools and equipment, free training, technical advice. We provide support and offer grants such as grassroots grants and contact officer for those groups.
Green Adelaide have been very supportive of the land care movement. So we've received funding from Green Adelaide for a number of different projects, including state conference and state awards.
Last year we were on tour with Green Adelaide and we found out about some of the other grants that were available that we weren't aware of. And we were successful in getting a grant for a compost tumbler, which has been really useful because we can't have a compost pile here at the CWA, and we were just putting everything in the green bin. So now we can start making our own compost.
One of the things that Green Adelaide actually helped us with particularly was that we would have accessible paths. And so what you see here in terms of the entrance path and all those sorts of things is actually thanks to Green Adelaide.
We know we can't do everything on our own, and it's going to take everyone to be involved and everyone to have this partnership to support the great environmental work that we're doing across the landscape.
It's just so lovely to see Adelaide in the heart of the city. I just did not realise there was so much greenery and so much commitment from so many groups doing such a lot of greening work. It's very inspirational.